Hi, today I'm going to start a new series in which I will answer your questions regarding different neurological conditions among kids and adults by the name of Ask Your Family Neurologist. I will try to answer all your questions one by one. Today's question is, when I diagnose kids with ADHD, parents always ask me, is medication is the only solution of the ADHD? And my answer is no. What I say is lifestyle modification. Lifestyle modification plays a very important role in ADHD medication, in ADHD management. I have many kids who are actively doing lifestyle modification and they are able to manage their ADHD. But at the same time, I always talk to parents because in certain situation, lifestyle modification is not sufficient. You have to see the risk and the benefits of different ADHD medications, and in certain situation, it is, I will say, kind of mandatory or necessity to manage ADHD. So always discuss, is the lifestyle modification with some supplements or ADHD medication which are approved by FDA are helpful for my kids' ADHD management. Please feel free to ask any question. You can send me an email on drdin at dinneurology, or you can comment in this video also. Thanks for watching the video.